What's going on, people? So I'm gonna make some pork ribs, but I'm gonna marinate it Asian style. With that being said, we got the chicken bouillon, the chicken broth. We got the oyster sauce. We got the lemongrass. We got salt, pepper, onion powder. I love onion powder. So I'm not gonna say anything of the amount of what I put in. I eyeballed everything. Just a quick video of some pork ribs, Asian Lao style. Sabadi Pi Mai. Happy New Year's to all those out there that are Lao, Thai, Cambodian. Sadly, we gotta celebrate this inside quarantine style, but we still gotta cook it up Asian style. You feel me? So yeah, let's do this. There you go. That's how it looks. I can just smell that. Alright, so we got the charcoal going. We got the fire going. And yeah, you guys probably seen that we already marinated the ribs. We let that sit for a little bit, let that soak in the good juice, all the good marinations, all the lemongrass, the smell of it. You know, haiman hom, you know, smell good. And then yeah, so the pork ribs, I basically just got it from like a farmer's market. It was like 10 bucks for a whole nice slab. I was gonna cook it American style, just having it smoked and throw some barbecue ribs on it. I mean, some barbecue sauce on it. But it's Lao New Year, and we gotta support the culture. We still gotta celebrate, so we're gonna eat Lao, be Lao, who Lao, no Lao. Yeah, we're gonna do that. Let's go. What's going on, folks? So we are back at it again. So we're gonna make some. We made some delicious meal. I can't go fishing. It's about 40 degrees outside, and so I'm not gonna get sick during this time. Plus, we need to be quarantined. But anyways, on the menu we got tamak bang, the cucumber, bam, ribs, the Lao style, some ribs. Barbecue ribs, and then my mom fried some gizzards and stuff, and some fish sticks and liver. So then we got pak bong, pak everything, and then rice. Enjoy the food. So I'm gonna go with the ribs first. The ribs, yummy, 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 yummy. Perfectly cooked ribs right here. It's not black, it's not char, it's perfect. With some rice. Oh, let's steam it. Yeah, have some vegetables. My favorite. These things. And there you go. Cucumber. Can't wait to try that. I love this because my mom made it in a dice, like in cubes, and she like yums it. She yums it, and it's perfect. So, yep. Put that in here. And there. Sorry for the background music, but take a bite of that. Just like that.
Good.
Perfecto. Delicious. We're doing a rib. Lao style. Lemongrass is the best. If you don't put lemongrass on your ribs, I'm sorry. Delicious. Everything is good. Everything is super good. This is one of my favorites too. This is really good. Put that in here with this. Grab it up like that. Either like that, put it on top. This is liver, right? Liver.
The liver.
Chicken liver, deep fried. Break this off. Add some rice on there. And what do you call this? It's stomach tang. Stomach tang. Pet pet. Tap sap. Sweating.
Spicy.
Yeah. Pretty spicy, man. That's done good, ain't it, y'all? Just like that. Just like that. Ooh. Can't handle spicy, y'all. I don't sweat. It's spicy.
That's really mild.
I'm spicy, man. I'm wearing a hoodie, that's why.
I'm wearing a hoodie too.
Okay. How was everything?
Really good.
Everything was perfect. Everything goes perfectly well with the thumb attack. It's just perfectly made. You know, you got the spicy. You have that too much on with the ribs, and then you have that too much on with the chicken liver as well. So, and then you have your rice, of course. But everything is good. I enjoyed the meal. Again, sorry guys for not having a fishing video. If you guys did like the previous video, there's a reason why we did it again. We're getting comments and also like cool, just little feedbacks. Oh, and I'm sorry, Tina. Dang, I forgot. I'm sorry. You guys want the last bite instead of the first bite? But anyways, my bad, Tina. Dang, shout out to my girl Tina though. You know,
Spicy tea.
you know, spicy tea. You know, hilarious tea. You know, thicky thick tea. You know, whatever you want to call it. If you want her Instagram, just DM me. I'm not gonna put her information out like that. But yeah, everything was good. Thank you guys for watching. Everything is perfect, and definitely hit that subscribe button.
Down here.
Definitely hit that like button. Definitely give us a follow. Nancy K Fancy. I don't know if I spelled it wrong the other
Nancy
time.
K _
Nancy K _ Fancy. Thanks to my little sister Jada for handing these out on the side as she's directing everything behind the camera. So God is dope. You are dope. Stay quarantined. We're all in this together. We gotta keep those numbers down. And love you guys. And also, forgot to mention, how could we forget? Happy Lao Cambodian Thai New Year. Sabadi Ti Mai. Hope you guys are having a great New Year, especially being quarantined. I know it's probably not fun, but man, see a shot, take a shot, you feel me? So, but I ain't got none, you know, see a shot, take a shot of water, alright? So, but anyways, yeah, you guys be safe. Have a great New Year. Best wishes to everyone. Stay positive, stay with that vibe, and just know that it's a new year for us. Lauster, gang gang, Thaister, Cambodia. See y'all.